8.11. Draw the resonance structures for the following compounds. Show the electron shift using curved arrow notation. So the resonance structures. So C6H5OH. So it is phenol. So phenol is C6H5OH, phenol. So the phenol structure is it is the phenol. So phenol contains 4 electrons. So 4 electrons. First these 2 electrons convert into this place, then this pi bond convert into in this place. So the resonance structure is here double bond, OH, here 2 electrons. So in this place minus, in this place plus. Next one, here another pi bond. Next resonance structure is this electrons convert into in this place, this pi bond convert into in this place. So then the third structure is double bond OH plus it contains 2 electrons. So in this place pi bond, this pi bond convert into in this place here minus, here pi bond is same place. Another one, next one, this minus convert into electron converts into in this place, this pi bond convert into in this place. So then the structure is OH, 2 electrons, it is the plus again. So next one is, the electrons pi sigma electrons converts into, the sigma electrons converts into in this place. So the answer is, here double bond, this converts into in this place minus, here pi bond. So it is the fourth structure. Next one is, this negative electrons convert into in this place. So the pi electrons again jump into this place. So the final structure is pi bond, next here pi bond, here OH. So here contains 4 electrons, and next one, it is the phenol. Here what is the difference between the first, second, third, fourth, fifth structures? What is the difference between first and fifth structure? Here the double bond is present in this place. Last one double bond present in this place. Next one double bond present in this place, here in this place. Next one in this place. So it is the in this place. It is the difference between first and fifth position resonance structures. So please note down. Again we will continue. Next, B, nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene is the electron withdrawing compound. So for example, nitrobenzene structure is, nitrobenzene. So N double bond O, one is dative bond. Here it contains 4 electrons. So and removing dative bond, it can be written as, nitrobenzene will be written as, pi bond, nitrogen has double bond oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this oxygen, nitrogen contains plus, this oxygen contains 6 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. This oxygen, dative bond oxygen contains 6 electrons and minus charge, nitrogen is plus. Then the two electrons here, the first one, this pi bond jump into in this place, this oxygen. So this pi bond shift into in this place. This pi bond shift into in this place. So the resonance structure is, so here double bond N plus this oxygen contains, so minus and 6 electrons, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So this oxygen contains O, 2, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So this minus, it is also minus, here double bond, in this place plus, in this place it comes to plus charge. So next double bond, next double bond. Here again, next one, this pi bond convert into in this place. This pi bond convert into in this place. So the structure is, so double bond N O minus, so 6 electrons. Similarly another oxygen minus, it contains 6 electrons. So this electron shift into in this place. So the pi bond comes to in this place. So next one, it is the pi bond. Again, next structure, resonance structure, this pi bond shift into in this place. In this place. So and then the structure is, the resonance structure is pi bond. Next pi bond shift into in this place. The plus becomes transfer into in this place. So remaining is N oxygen minus 6 electrons, O minus, it contains 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth structure. It is the first, second, third, fourth structure. Next, so finally, so the next finally, this pi bond convert into in this place, then 2 electrons convert into in this place. So the final structure, double bond, in this place double bond, here nitrogen, so oxygen, so it has double bond, it contains 4 electrons, and again O minus, it has 6 electrons. So what is the difference between first and sixth structures? Here double bond contains, so in this place, here double bond contains in this place. So again NO2, so O contains 4 electrons, double bond right side. Here double bond 4 electron contains left side. So again O 6 electrons minus contains left side, here right side. So it is the difference between first and sixth structure. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 structures. So please note down, like I will continue. Next, third one, C. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CHO. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CHO. So its structure is CH3, CH, double bond, CH. So CH, double bond. Its name is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, bit. 2 in, 1 out. So 2 in out. So aldehyde present is always first position, number is need not. So here oxygen contains 4 electrons. Why oxygen contains 4 electrons? Because oxygen is the 6th group element. So it contains 6 valency electrons. In 6 valency electrons, 2 electrons give to double bond, 1 electron give to single bond, another electron give to another bond. So remaining 4 electron it has. So then the first structure is pi bond is polarized. Then the resonance structure is CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH plus and a single bond O contains minus and it has 6 electrons. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Again, plus single bond, double bond, conjugative. So again in another structure, pi bond convert into in this place. So the third resonance structure is CH3, CH, single bond, CH, double bond, CH, O minus, it has 6 electrons. So the plus is in this place. So it is the first resonance, it is the second resonance, it is the third resonance. So bit 2 in 1 all contains 3 resonance structures. So please note down, again I will explain. So P, C, D. D is C6H5CHO, that means benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde, first structure C double bond OH. So oxygen contains 4 electrons. Why? So it is the 6th group element. It gives 2 electrons to double bond. So remaining 4 electrons oxygen contains. So then the first structure is, it is also electron withdrawing group. So then this pi bond converts into in this place. This pi bond converts into oxygen atoms. So the structure is pi bond. So benzene ring. Here in this place double bond C, in this place single bond, oxygen minus, it contains 6 electrons because it contains 2 electrons, it gains 2 electrons. So minus and 2 electrons. So totally 6 electrons and 1 hydrogen atom. So in this place positive charge is in this place, remaining double bonds here. It is the second structure. Next again third structure is, this pi bond convert into in this place. So the pi bond is shifted into in this place. So the third structure is benzene ring. Here pi bond, here positive charge, here another pi bond, remaining double bond C, oxygen minus, which contains 6 electrons and 1 hydrogen atom. So next resonance structure is, this pi bond shift into in this place, pi bond convert, so shift in this place. So the structure is, so here double bond, here double bond, in this place positive charge. So the remaining double bond C, O minus, 6 electrons, it is hydrogen. So fourth structure, the final structure is, this pi bond convert into in this place, 2 electrons shift into in this place. So the final structure, benzene ring, it is the benzene ring. So here pi bond, here pi bond, so it convert into in this place, it is pi bond. Again C double bond O and H, oxygen contains 4 electrons. So it is the first structure, second structure, third structure, fourth structure, fifth structure. But what is the difference between first and fifth? Here first place, double bond present in this place. Here double bond present in this place. So in first structure double bond in this place, final structure double bond present in this place. So that is the difference. So totally benzaldehyde contains 5 resonance structures. Please note down, again I will explain. Next, E, C6H5CH2 plus. Here, so the group is C6H5CH2. It is the benzene group. It is the benzene. In this place, carbon contains CH2 plus. CH2 plus. So CH2 plus, it is also electron withdrawing. It is converted into in this place. So and then it becomes neutral. The pi bond is shifted into in this place. So the resonance structure is here double bond CH2. So plus become neutral because electrons converted in place. Electron is a negative charge, it is positive charge. So neutral. This plus converted into in this place. So it is the positive charge, remaining pi bonds. Next again, this pi bond converted into in this place. The plus is shifted into in this place. So again, third structure. So here double bond, here positive charge, here pi bond, here double bond. So it is the third structure. Next, fourth structure. So this pi bond converted to in this place. So then this pi bond converted to, so shift into in this place. So double bond. Next one, here bond in this place plus, here CH2. Next, last one, this pi bond converted to in this place, this plus converted to finally CH2 plus. Here, so pi bond, here pi bond, here CH2 plus. So it is the first structure, second structure, third structure, fourth one, fifth one. So what is the difference between first and fifth? Here double bond present in this place, here double bond present in this place. So similarly, all pi bonds are shifted. So totally C6H5CH2 plus contains 5 resonance structures. Please note down. Again I will start. So last one, it has 5 resonance structures. This name is benzyl carbocation. So it is the benzyl carbocation C6H5CH2 plus. So last one. So last one, F is CH3 CH double bond CH. So last one CH C6H5. So CH2 plus. It is the CH2 plus. So CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 plus. Its name is, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 but 2E 1 carbocation. So but 2E, but 4 carbons, second place E, so first place carbocation. So the resonance structure is cation plus single bond double bond resonance. So then the pi bond converted into in this place. So the resonance structure is CH3 CH double bond CH2. So here the plus converted into in third carbon. So it has bit to in 1 carbocation has 2 resonance structure. It is 1, it is 2. So it is the total resonance structures for the 8.11 question. Thank you. Please subscribe.